Morning everyone, here we are on Tuesday. Hope you got okay yesterday at learning a little bit about volume. Today we're going to be comparing volumes to see how they are compared to one another. So we've got 3 children on our Discover. We've got Andy, Emma and Isla. Now they've all built different shapes using the unit cubes again, and Andy is saying my shape is the tallest, so it must have the greatest volume. Greatest meaning the largest volume. So let's have a look here. Who do we think has built the 3D shape with the greatest volume? Would you have the same guess as Andy, or would you think something else? Let's find out. Excuse me. So Andy and Emma, they have both built types of cuboids. However, Isla's shape is irregular because it doesn't follow a regular pattern. But Andy's shape is nice and straightforward. We can see that this has got 10 unit cubes as a volume. I've highlighted it over here. Isla's shape again, we could count going around, and that's got 9 unit cube volume. Now Emma's shape, if I just go back one, you could see from here, you can see there's some hidden ones. So this was one to take care of. So we've separated it down this way. You could have done it in slices. And this has got 6 unit cubes on one face and 6 on the other. So it has a total of 12 unit cubes. Therefore, Andy isn't correct. Just because his is the tallest, it doesn't have the largest volume. Actually, Emma's has the largest volume with 12 unit cubes. Okay, here's think together. So get your piece of paper and pencil ready to have a go. Now, Isla and Emma have made another 2 shapes. And we've got to say this time whose shape has the smallest volume. So have a go yourself, pause me, and then come back. Okay, let's have a look then. So Emma's shape, we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Emma's shape, I'm going to get my pen. We can see that Emma's shape is made of 12 unit cubes. Now what about Isla? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Isla's shape is made of 13 unit cubes. So whose has the greatest volume? Well, we can see Isla's shape has the greatest volume, made of 13. So to write that in our number sentence, here, this, remember our crocodile, the big mouth points to the biggest number. So we'd have the 12 on this side, we'd have the 13 on this side, because that we would read as saying 12 is less than 13. So we would say that Emma's shape, I'm just going to put an E rather than trying to write her name with this pen, Emma's shape has the smaller volume. Okay, now this one, we've got to order these shapes from the least to the greatest volume. Now be careful of hidden ones. Pause the video and then come back and we'll have a look together. All right, so looking at these, I can see that A and B have both got some hidden ones. So I'm going to start with C with my counting. And I'm going to count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So I can see that C has got 18 unit cubes. Now B, I'm going to just ignore this 4 on the top, and I can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So there must be 16 on that bottom layer. And then I've got 17, 18, 19, 20. So far, the greatest volume is B, isn't it? Because it's got 20 unit cubes. Now A, we can do it different ways. Now I often do it as a face. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means each slice I've got 4, 8, 12, 16 here. So I've got 16 unit cubes. The other way you can do it is you could do 2 times by 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8. So you'd have 8, and 8 is 16. So it says order them from the least to the greatest volume. So the least volume is A because it has 16 unit cubes. So I would firstly write A, and then I'm going to use my comparing arrows. So I'd say is A is less than C. See, do that again, which is less than B, because B is actually the greatest volume with 20. So I'd say A is less than C, which is less than B. Okay, all right, so here's your work today. You're going to have a go at comparing some different volumes in your Power Maths books, pages 146 to 148. Remember, you can print the sheets or use them just to look at and write in a book if that's better, if you don't have your Power Maths books. Remember to mark them, take some photos, and let me know how you get on. All right, hope you're all right, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.